Hello, my name is Barry. I am responsible for the sales of glass bottles in our company, but I also learned supply chain management when I was in college. So I think my job should not only be to sell products, I should provide more services to my customers. So I live in our factory for a large part of the time. And usually, I will assist our production supervisor to supervise the quality, packaging, and the transportation. So you can consult me about all the other production issues. Maybe I'm young, but I'm very professional and intelligent. For industrial products, such as the bottle glasses, the production and the equipment of each factory are similar, but each factory has its own characteristics. I think the label of our factory should be clean. We have the cleanest raw materials, the cleanest environment to ensure every bottle is the most crystal. And we believe that a novel glass bottle can promote the image of a spirit. It can also become a selling point in the spirit market. So the glass bottle must be the most exquisite and crystal.